Right. There once was a girl who had wings and not arms. Her house did not fit her. Her wings were too long. Her delicate feathers were bent out of shape. Her wings touched the floor while she sat, while she ate. Opening cupboards became such a chore, an impossible task to open a door. In school, she spaced out, daydreamed, and imagined. She felt out of place there. Her birdsong was silent. But if you asked her most favorite things, blue skies, wet rain, green leaves, and bright days, inside it was heavy, so dry and so gray. And so she decided on this very day to open her wings and to fly away. The end. Okay, I'll unmute you guys now. Now,
Yay, I'm unmuted.
Okay, guys. So, did you hear the story okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to open your art pack and we'll have a look at what's inside.
Okay.
So guys, yeah, you guessed it. We're going to make bird people today. So there's a couple of different ways you can make them, and I'm going to show you one. When I was planning the workshop, I made loads of different versions till I figured out what was the best way to make it. So I hope you guys like doing it, okay?
Okay.
Who have I got there? Jamie. Thanks, Jamie. So we are going to, first of all, cut out these pieces. And what you'll end up with is a person shaped like this and two wings shaped like that. And I'll show you what we do next. So the next part is important. We need to make sure that we put the wings on the right way. So they're going to go that way. Does that make sense to everybody? If you've got your Pritt stick handy, you don't need to start now. I'll go through it and then you can start. You're just going to Pritt stick the very end of the wing here. And you can stick that on to your person. And then Pritt stick the other wing. So just along here. And then stick it on the other side. So you end up with a person with two wings like that. Okay, pretty good. Now from this point you can do loads of different ideas. So in your pack you guys have got tissue paper again. Do you remember we used this before? So if you like, and I know this is something that some of you have done before, I think Alice, you've done this before. You can get your tissue paper and you can cut like this to make feathery fringes. And then if you put the glue on the inside of the wing, there, you can start building up your feather wings like that. I'll do some more here. So you can keep going until you fill up the whole wing. And then you can get your pens and your pencils and your markers and you can draw a face. You can draw the back of the wings. I'll show you, this one is the one that you guys have already seen. So see the way you've got all these little sparkly bits of ribbon? You can attach them on too. And here's another one that I did the other day where I added the feet that are on your card, but I also made a beak. So you guys might like to make a beak to add onto your person. And then I did some messages on my wings. I wrote a little story. So you can decide to do that if you like. Once you've done the wings, you can do lots of things. You can color the back of the wings if you like and do the person.
Okay.
And then if you have got something like a chopstick or even a pencil or a lollipop stick, you can stick it onto the back like that.
I have a chopstick.
If you want later on, you can stick the string onto the wings.
Yeah.
And then you can hang your bird up maybe in the window, or you can stick it on the wall.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.